Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a quick comparison between RefreshMe and Wave. Finance apps in this year are smarter than ever, but with so many options, which one truly gets your money in shape? Today we're putting two giants head to head, the sleek new contender RefreshMe versus the established powerhouse Wave. Let's find your financial soulmates in a few seconds. You see, when it comes to the vibe, RefreshMe has a futuristic, gamified, and minimalistic vibe, while Wave is powerful, professional, and feature-packed. We look at what they are best for or who they are best for. RefreshMe is best for beginners and anyone who hates budgeting, while Wave is best for small businesses and freelancers. We look at the AI power. RefreshMe is proactive. It learns habits and auto-categorizes everything, while Wave is reactive. Powerful reports, but you do the heavy lifting. When we look at the catch, well, RefreshMe is super simple, but might lack deep business features, while Wave is free, so it makes money from payment processing. Lastly, cool feature, but RefreshMe has financial health score, like a credit score for your cash flow, while Wave has full service invoicing, accounting, and receipts all in one. So what's the verdict? Well, RefreshMe is like your personal finance coach. It's all about automation and making money feel simple and even fun. While Wave is like your entire accounting department. It's the undisputed champion for small businesses that need invoicing and deep bookkeeping, all for free. So, are you team simplicity or team powerhouse? Let me know your pick in the comments below. If you want stress-free personal finance, hit the like button for RefreshMe. And if you're a business owner rooting for Wave, hit subscribe for more showdowns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.